Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-FLEX analysis training course, and the topic for today will be something called frequency analysis. In fact, we are entering a new chapter today with this video. This is what we can call a group of concepts, and in this case analysis, that are called dynamic analysis. And this is the first video of this group called the frequency analysis. This is a sub-concept of this dynamic analysis group because this frequency analysis, this module in particular, serves to calculate the natural frequencies of a structure vibration and the patterns of vibrations that this structure or element will have. This is a very common calculation and a very important one because it will analyze these vibrations under the loads, under the effects that are applied to the system. So we need to assure that that this phenomenon in a design stage will not occur, or it will be at least under control, but if possible will not occur. So the idea is to calculate these frequencies where the phenomenon will occur so that we can change the design with the ribs, with bigger thickness of the elements, whatever. There are many possible solutions to improve the design, and that way to avoid that this phenomenon occurs. So the idea it is, as most of you know, these vibrations, these frequencies or resonant frequencies, they occur when this is magnified by induced vibrations, and at certain frequencies we have problems. And when we have problems at these frequencies, we can call them the resonant frequencies. This is unwanted, and we must change whatever we may doing or designing to improve this, so we can recalculate and redo the calculations. There are a couple of interesting parameters and concepts that you can check it in our theoretical side. But also when we have evaluated these natural frequencies of the structure at the design shape, we can optimize this structure with the ultimate goal of meeting the frequency of a condition that we call vibrostability. And to increase these natural frequencies, the user will need to add some rigidity to the structure, and or it depends on the situation to reduce the weight. There are many examples. We are able to check a little more in the following videos, but we have also some calculation examples of these vibrations and frequencies in our videos showing how to deal with the software. Let me end this video just to say that we have this platform where you can check a lot of information about not only this software but also the other solutions we resell. If you are interested in having access to all of these materials that we are releasing there, let us know, and we will inform you also about the conditions to do and to have this access and the costs of that.